no! Farmer Oliver lost his tractor. Where could it be? Over there? Let's go see. Oliver, is that your tractor? Oh no, that tractor is blue. Oliver's tractor isn't blue. What is that blue tractor doing? It's using a baler to pick up hay. And then it's loading it into a trailer to take back to the farm. Your tractor wasn't over there. Now where? Oliver, is that your tractor? Oh no, that tractor is green. Oliver's tractor isn't green. What is the green tractor doing? The green tractor is ploughing the fields, ready to plant seeds. Your tractor wasn't over there. Now where? That's silly. Tractors don't fly. Oliver, is that your tractor? Oh no, that tractor is red. Oliver's tractor isn't red. Wow, what is the red tractor doing? It's using special spikes called harrows to break up the dirt and make the ground smooth. Your tractor wasn't over there, but don't be sad, we'll find it. Oh look, Brad's found a tractor too. Oliver, is that your tractor? Oh no, that tractor is so old. It can't even go anymore. Oliver's tractor isn't old, but this tractor is great to play with. Look, can you see the engine? What colour is it? It's yellow. Your tractor wasn't over there. Oh look, little Noah has found a tractor too. Oliver, is that your tractor? Oh no, that tractor is so small. Oliver's tractor isn't so small. This is a tractor toy, and it can go on any kind of adventure with you. Your tractor wasn't over there. Now where? Oliver, is that your tractor? Oh no, that tractor is so big. Oliver's tractor isn't so big. What is that big tractor doing? It's spraying the fields to fertilize the plants. Wow, that field is huge. Your tractor wasn't over there. Now where? Oliver, is that your tractor? Oh no, this tractor has digger attachments. Oliver's tractor isn't a digger. What's that digger tractor doing? It's pushing that dirt into a pile. Your tractor wasn't over there. Now where? Brad's found another tractor, and this might be the one. Oliver, is that your tractor? It's orange and it's used for fun. Yes! Oliver's tractor is orange. It's Oliver's tractor. Hooray! Well done, everyone. What is Oliver's tractor doing? It's waiting for all the children to hop in so they can go for a ride. Didn't we learn a lot about tractors and all the work that they do? Now do you want to learn some parts of a tractor too? Brad wants to show you this cool red tractor. It has a feed bucket at the front for feeding animals on the farm. It's full of yummy hay. Tractors have big wheels and tyres at the back that have deep tread to help the tractor move on slippery ground, and the little tyres at the front help it balance. This is the engine that makes the tractor go. And in the cab is where the steering wheel is, just like the steering wheel of a car. You can turn it and direct the tractor where to go. Thanks for finding Oliver's tractor with us and learning all about the parts of a tractor. If you want to keep learning with us, please subscribe. See you next time.